What is Copilot Cowork? How it is different from Copilot? How Cowork works? We will cover all features and aspects of Cowork with deep dive demonstration here. If you got access to Microsoft 365 Copilot, you will see Cowork agent under agents. In case it is not visible, you can go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center, go to all agents, you will see Cowork here. Currently, it is under a Frontier program. Apart from browser, Cowork works in Outlook and Teams, in Microsoft 365 Copilot desktop app for Windows and Mac. Let's directly jump to demonstration and then we'll discuss other aspects of the Cowork. So when you click on Cowork, you will see a chat box. In this chat box, you can tell Coworker what you want to achieve for your business. You can enter up to 16,000 characters. You can also use the mic. You can also format the text, and this is going to be long prompt. In prompt, you can also refer your organization files. You also have option to choose the appropriate model. If you're not sure, keep it as auto. You can see for reference purpose, we have some predefined prompts. But for our purpose, we have defined our own prompt, which is this one. So I want to review my inbox for last 24 hours. I want to get total number of emails, rough breakdown, anything urgent, look into subject, contents, do basic triage of each email, if spam, delete, urgent, draft reply, also send, ask for approval time to time, prepare a file, Excel file for data, and schedule this for Monday 9 a.m. This is my prompt, so I'm going to use this prompt in Coworker. So I'm writing my own prompt, which is this one. To increase readability, you can use the formatting functionality which is given in the prompt box. Let's send this prompt to Cowork. Sometimes Cowork asks you a question to clarify the request if prompt is not enough to execute. Once you send the message, Cowork begin processing your request and you can follow along in real time. You can see that it's thinking. You click on this one. You can see the thought process, how Cowork is thinking internally. As Cowork break your request into multiple steps and works through them one by one. And you can follow along one by one. So based on the prompt, it's asking me to go ahead for the deletion of the emails. Please go ahead. You can see this. You can say stop, pause, or resume in between as per our requirement. For deletion purpose, it's asking me for approval. Before Cowork take any important action like sending email, scheduling a meeting, deleting an email, or a job with risk level indicator for medium or high risk, it asks for approvals. We have option to accept or deny, or maybe we can choose always allow, delete messages. When Cowork is working, you can also send more messages to Cowork. If your new message change the direction of task, Cowork adjusts its approach accordingly. Cowork works in the background. Based on the prompt or goal, it can take many minutes or many hours as well. If you refer a prompt, we have mentioned that schedule this for every Monday 9 a.m. So I want to schedule this prompt. So Cowork is able to identify my request and asking me to activate and run this schedule prompt. Let me activate this one. Let me send one more request during the execution. Can you send email to So our request is queued automatically. So we can see we don't have to go to another app to send email. So I'm able to draft and send email from here itself. So let me go back to Cowork home screen. We can see that there are many tasks visible over here. We have list view, we have Kanban view, and we have schedule prompt view. From here we can see all the tasks that are in progress or need user inputs or are completed. You can run many tasks in parallel, as every task can take a couple of minutes or a couple of hours as well. Let's go back to our in progress task. Let's open Outlook. You can see that Cowork just sent an email to this person. Apart from this, we can see that Coworker also did emails from our inbox, which are this one. Meanwhile, let's see this panel known as detail panel. In this panel, we have total 6 items. Progress is show a step-by-step log of what Cowork is doing. Schedule. This tab is only available when your prompt include something for the scheduling like this. Are they allowed? Like in prompt, we ask for deletion of email or sending emails. For any job with risk level indicator for medium or high risk actions, ask for approvals. In this case, approvals available here. Input folder. When we refer any existing file from OneDrive or SharePoint or from local drive, it is available under input folder. In our prompt, we have no input file. This is currently empty. But if I go back to some other prompt, in this prompt, I have given a file from my local disk. So I'll see input folder value here. Let's go back to my prompt. Since we're not given any file in our prompt, so input folder is empty. But we asked for creation of a Excel file. Let's see the Excel file in output folder from here. We can download, we can open Excel, and we can open location. Let's open location in OneDrive. You can see very detailed and beautiful file prepared by Cowork. So we have discussed progress, scheduled, are they allowed, output, and input. So what are basically skills? In one of my other prompt, so my prompt was for in-depth research of company Anthropic. So here we can see skills are deep research, Word and Excel. And output was multiple folders. And for this prompt, it took more than 10 hours to complete. So basically skills are, so Copilot uses specialized skills as it works. And each skill corresponds to a specific type of task. Currently, Cowork has 13 built-in skills. And these skills are extendable. You can see all the tasks which are done in progress or in Kanban view. You can see it visually. In schedule board, we can see all the prompts which are scheduled based on the frequency. I hope now it's clear to you how Cowork works, and you can see the progress and detail panel about everything. There's a progress, scheduled, are they allowed, output folder, input folder, and skills. What we just saw is an example how Cowork can help you out. But Cowork can help you in many multiple ways. Let me show you how Cowork can help you out further. It can help in communication, in Teams and emails, drafts and emails, reply, forward, and follow up automatically, complete inbox management, create send HTML letters, post in Teams, in channels and chats. It can help in calendar and meetings, schedule meetings, manage your calendar entirely, get meeting intelligence and insights to prepare for upcoming conversations. It can also help in documents and files for SharePoint and OneDrive. You can refer your work IQ items in prompt. It can manage your SharePoint OneDrive folders. It can reorganize your files and so many things with your M365 content. It can also help you in research and search. Like I mentioned in my demo session, we have deep search skill. It can use organization-wide search using IQ, work IQ. You can do deep research using skills. You can manage your SharePoint OneDrive entirely and do search on that. We are able to schedule our prompts with the help of Cowork, and it can help you in various different use cases. You can see that we can run multiple tasks all together in parallel. Some of task is done and some are in progress. What happens if I lost my connection? In that case, Copilot automatically reconnect and pick up where it left, and progress made while you were distracted is preserved, so you don't lose any task. When it comes to limitations, Copilot cannot access or edit files stored locally on your drive. It works with files in OneDrive and SharePoint. As of now, Cowork cannot delete files or folders in OneDrive and SharePoint. Now question comes, is this secure? As security is need of every organization. So we can say that Cowork is secure and data is also secure. Every action Cowork takes is authorized through your Microsoft 365 account. Cowork is the only service and data you are already authorized to use. It runs in a secure and isolated environment, and Copilot uses anthropic models. As Cowork is quite new and Copilot in market for more than 3 years, if you want to know more about how Cowork is different from Copilot, please refer this video. Thank you.